Our video today is over plural nouns. And for most of our plural nouns, we are going to do what? Add S to make it plural. Dog goes to dogs. Cat goes to cats. Mom goes to moms. Okay, so for most of those, that's what we're going to do. A majority of the words that you make plural, you just have to add the S. There are some words, though, that we need to add ES to the end of the words. And it depends on what they end in. If it ends in CH, church, church as, you can hear the ES sound on that. Box, if it ends in X, boxes. If it ends in S, dress, dresses. There are certain endings that if we hear those endings or see those endings when we go to make it plural, we need to add the ES. And this is review. This is stuff that we've talked about. Other times, if it ends in a Y, and it's a consonant and a Y, we need to change the Y to an I and then add the ES. Again, this is review for us. City, CIT, change the Y to an I and add ES. Cities. So make sure that when we're working with the Y, and it's got to have a consonant, like if it's play, we went to see the play. This one we would just add an S because the letter in front of it is not a consonant. So that stays the same. It's got to have a consonant to change the Y to an I and add ES. Okay. Fly. We saw a bunch of flies. Consonant, change the Y to an I and add ES. There's two other situations that we dealt with this year. Remember, if it ends in a F, we're going to change the F to a V and then add ES. Okay. Wolf. Wolves. F to a V and then add ES. Shelf. Shelves. And then the last one that we've looked at this year is those irregular plurals, where the word completely changes. Mouse. It's not mouses, it becomes mice. Child. We don't go to childs. Children. And then we have some like, let's do geese. Or actually, sorry. Getting ahead of myself. Goose becomes geese. Okay. So sometimes we have to think, if we say it with the S or an ES at the end and it doesn't make sense, it may be that it's irregular and we need to change the whole thing.